Okay, a few final items that are useful to know about on Parent Square. In the left-hand toolbar over here, you've got an area to explore, archives, that's everything from the year before, which is really helpful sometimes, links that people have posted, your calendar, which also appears over here on the right-hand side. You can click View All to see more items there. But the one that I really want to focus on right now are groups. Sometimes if you're running an after-school club, or like last year we did a shuttle to swimming, you might want to use groups as a way to contact specific families. And anyone can make a new group. And you can also, as staff, become a part of a group as well. So you have two choices when you're making a group, and this static group is where you have more control. You are only allowing people to join or entering contacts for them to join. And then an auto update group if you have a specific item that students need to meet in order to be a part of that group, or families with students that meet those qualifications. And groups can be really useful for not having to spend your time selecting people to send messages to every single time you have an update. Another tool over here under Participate is polls. This is a tool that I didn't actually use last year, but it could be really useful. They have items like this in Google Classroom, and it would be nice to get parent feedback if, let's say, you're trying to schedule a field trip and you want to know what date you'll be able to get more drivers, or if you are, curious about parents and how they are dealing with homework load, if they need more support with that. This is a great place to come and ask them for feedback. More important things to know about here in Parent Square, some tools up here at the top. You've got reminders, so when you have events coming up, going back to conferences, those will show up there. You've got help and support here, and this actually opens in another tab, and there are videos just like these made by professionals, so they're really nice and clean, and they cover everything. So if you ever have any questions or you want to know more about a tool in Parent Square and how to use it, they're all right here. You can find anything really that you need, and they also are really responsive if you leave a message or give them a call. They are a good company. All right, I think that's everything you need to know about Parent Square.